so that's Last Child by Aerosmith. So our first thing, we got this cool intro. We're gonna have 7, 7, 6 open going down the strings. So I've got my ring finger on that D string, pinky underneath, middle finger after that. So once we get to that highest string, we let that ring slightly, and then we come back down to 6, 7, 7. So it's. So we do that exact same thing twice, and we're gonna come to the 5, 7, 8 open. Do that one twice, then we're gonna slide this ring finger into the 9 on the D. And that's a 9, 7, 9 open. Now the second time we're gonna go up the notes, and then we're gonna hit the 3-finger chord here. We're gonna go up 1 fret at a time. So it's 9, 7, 9, 10, 8, 10, 11, 9, 11. So this last part is. Okay, so the whole intro again, here we go. So this riff is like a 2, 2, 4, 5, 4, 2, 4, open 2 in the D. So, and you kind of have an E bass on that first one. So 2, 2, 4, 5, 4, 2, 4, oh, 2. And be sure to download the free tabs on this. It'll make it all a lot easier. So here we go. 3 and 4 and. Now there's some little variations you can get into, like. So the easiest one is probably to like go from the 4 to the A bass, and then the O2. Sometimes I'll hit it open into the 2 there, just to kind of mix it up and stuff. You might also think about kind of leaving off the first beat, like. Okay, so a variety of ways you can kind of do that. That's the basic one, is just the. Okay, we end up doing that like 12 times in a row. You get your verse going and everything. And we have the second part. So we have the A bass with each one, but it's like 5, 7, 4, 5, 2, 4, 2, 2, 4, 5, 7. Last one's just 2, 2, 4, but you'll do the A bass with that, so it's like. And then we're back to. Now we have the next part. We have. You don't have to hit the D, but there's a D chord in here. It's like. So after the D, we had second string, 7, 8, 7, 9, 7, 9, 7 on the G there. So it's. And you could also kind of bend it. Now we're going to go to the A bass. Same type of thing. 2, 3, 2, 4, 2, and then 4 in the G, 5 in the D. So back to that riff. Okay, so the first one was. That's if you want to bend it, and if you don't want to bend it. Here's the A if you want to bend it. You can do a little half step bend on that 6 on the G. 4, 2, and then 4, 5. Those are like on upbeats. Okay, so this new part again is. Okay, so we do that like 10 more times, and then we have the B riff again, 3 and 4 and. Riff C again, that's that little bendy thing. Okay, so 2 more of those riffs. Now we're into the solo. So the solo rhythm is going to go. That's our main riff of the solo, behind the solo. So open, and then 5, 4, 2 on the A, straight to 3 open on the E. So it's like 1 E and a 2 E and then we go 3 and 4 E. So that's 7 on the A, so they're both E's. 7 on the A, big E. So we got 5, 7. Okay, so it's 1 E and a 2 E and 3 and 4 E. So 3 and 4 and. Six times. Okay, then we get into that. But it's got a harmony thing there in the solo. So the 2 parts of the harmony thing, let's look at that first before we look at the solo. So it's going to go. Okay, so we got 10 and 9 to 10 on the second. 3 times we hold that 10. Let me do it 2 more times. We got like a bend on the 12 and kind of a big bend on the 14. So it's 3 and 4 and. Okay, and then the harmony of that is kind of just bend that 14. So 14, 12 to 14. 3 and 4 and. Okay, and the other one was 3 and 4 and. Down on the 1, 3 and 4 and 1. It's like 1, 2, 3 E. So we hit the up on that E of the 3. So it's 3, 4, 1, 2, 3 E. 1, 2, and a 3 E. 1, 2, and a 3 E. 1, 2, and a 3 E. Okay, so just a really cool rhythm part in the background going along with. So we got Brad Whitford on this solo this time. We got kind of a palm mute, and we got 12 and 13 going into the 14 on the G there. So do it again. So we got little 12, bend the 15 on the second. 2 times, and then little 12, pull off here. Bend the 14, go little 12 to 12. So. And then middle 14s, middle 12s. So the 14 twice on the D. So the whole solo so far is. Now we're going to slide into the ring finger into the 11 on the D and do 3 9s on the G there. So it's like. 9 again, and then 12 to 9 on the G, pull off, 11 on the D again, and then 9, 9, 11, going down. Then we're going to slide into the 16 with the middle finger on the G string, hit these little 15s, bend the 17, bring it down, and then we go 15, 15, and then 17, and then up, and then down, and then 15, 15, 17, 2 17s, 2 15s. You get 16, 14, 13 to 14 on the D. So from the that's when we get into the harmony thing. So you'd be like, and then we got, as the solo continues, we got to pull off 15, 14 on the second, 12, little bend on that 12 on the G, a couple 14s on the D, and we got 12, 14, 12, 14, 15, so it's 12, 14, 15 again, and then we got to pull off 14, 12 to 12 on the G, 12 to 12 again, so pull off, a couple bends on that 15. At the end of it, you got little 12s there. So the whole solo, we get 3 and 4 and. That kind of thing. Now we got some fills that are gonna go. So bend the 15 on the second, and then 15, 12 to 12. Now this one's gonna come in on the second 16th note. So it's like 1 E and, E and, E and. So that's 12s on the G and B, 1. 14 on the D. Getting towards the end here, we're gonna have a 15 bend on the second, and then little 12, pull off on the second, 12 here, bend up and down on the little 15, and then we're gonna have, again on the second 16th note, 1 E and 2 E and 3 E and 4. That's 12 on the G, 15, it's octave on the E, so 1 E and 2 E and 3 E and 4. Then there's one little note, kind of a 7 on the G, kind of goes up. We're gonna bend this 2 on the G, we got the 3s underneath it. Kind of bends up and down on that 2 there, and that's about it.